In this video, we're going to see how to create a user in phpMyAdmin. I'm simply going to click on the Users tab, and I'm going to click Add User. Username, we're going to say JonesBR, which is my Bearcat ID. Host, we'll leave it wildcard. We can restrict the connections that come into this server, to this database server, to specific IPs, or we can leave the host at the wildcard, which is the % symbol, which means we're not restricting the IP that the user is using to access this. Password, I'll use my super secret, super secure Snoopy 14. We'll come back and use that later. Retype again, SNOOPY14. And we'll say global privileges. We'll simply check all. And scroll down and choose Create. You see, we can limit things like max queries per hour, updates, connections, user connections, so on and so forth. But in this case, the database is running locally on my virtual machine. I'm the only one who has access to it, so I'm not concerned about limiting that. So you see, with this now, we've created the user JonesBR, password protected, no IP restrictions, all privileges. Everything looks good. Now, one consideration, what if you don't find the user tab? I'm going to take a look at a different phpMyAdmin window that I have here. I don't see the user tab here because in this case, I'm logged in with a user who does not have permission to create new users or administer users. As a matter of fact, if I try a simple create user here, we're going to see it's going to come back and tell me I don't have permission, access denied. So if you don't see that users tab, that means that you don't have significant privileges to create a user. But in this case, on our local MySQL database, we do have that permission. We have created the user, and now we're ready to use that user in an application. We'll take a look at that in future videos, and I look forward to seeing you then.